All right, guys, before we dive into this slide, let's do a quick review. So, today we are talking about goal setting, and we split it into 4 steps that will help you be successful at setting a goal. The first one was to just choose a goal, something big that you want to accomplish, something you want to achieve. The second step was to make sure you know the why behind it, have a purpose as to why you're working towards this goal. It motivates people if they know why. For example, if I say, hey, go stand over there, you might not really be motivated. You might not want to do it. But if I said, hey, if you go stand over there, there's candy over there, then you're more likely to go stand over there. You're motivated. You want the candy. So, like I said, number 1, choose a goal. 2, know the why behind it, have a purpose. Third step was to break it down into smaller goals first. So you can't just leap across from one mountain to another or from one area to another. You have to have like a bridge where you can take tiny steps to get from one side to another. So we need to make sure we think about that with big goals. We can't just say, I want to read 30 books in a year. I have to have the smaller steps. Well, that will mean I would have to read about 2.5 to 3 books a month. And how many chapters would that be a night? I have to break it down if I actually have a chance at being successful with this goal. So break it down into smaller steps. And then the last step for goal setting was to think about obstacles and just be prepared how you're going to work around the obstacles. So we are now looking at this slide. It says question 8. This is a question taken directly from the SEL assessment that I gave you at the beginning of the year on the computer. We did recently take a different assessment. It was called the Whole Child Assessment. This is something different. This wanted to know, this wanted to learn from you kind of what you know about things like how to calm down, regulate yourself, goal setting. So this was taken at the beginning of the year, and question 8 was one of the questions that our school struggled with in 3rd through 5th grade. So that's why I taught you this lesson on goal setting, because this question is all about goal setting. So let's see, after you have accomplished this lesson, let's see if you can answer this question. So it says question 8, I make and reach my goal by. First answer, breaking it into smaller steps. Second answer, I don't make goals. Third answer, quitting when things are hard. Or fourth answer, never looking at the steps it takes to reach it. Well, after this lesson today, we know that the correct answer is going to be A. We are going to take our big goal and we are going to break it down into smaller steps so that we can reach that goal. I don't like the second answer, I don't make goals, because everybody makes goals every day. Like when I come to work every day, okay, my goal is going to be to see this many kids or to eat a good lunch, a healthy lunch. Like everything we do, we're thinking about goals in mind. The third option was quitting when things are hard. Well, here at South, we know we persevere through. We do not quit when things are hard. We don't give up. We keep pushing. And then the fourth answer, never looking at the steps it takes to reach it. Well, after today's lesson, I hope you know that's not true. We have to break it down into smaller steps and look at it. So again, I make and reach my goal by breaking it into smaller steps. All right, guys, thank you. I hope you learned a lot today, and don't forget to make goals.